Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to create stunning professional looking presentations in minutes without PowerPoint, Canva or design skills, let me introduce you to Gamma. In this video, I will show you how to use this amazing AI tool step by step. Gamma is a free AI powered tool that helps you create clean, modern presentations, documents, and even web pages. With smart formatting, animations, and templates, it's perfect for students, freelancers, teachers, or business pros. First of all, go to gamma.app, sign up with your email address, click Start for free or continue as your email address. And you will land in the dashboard. Click New Document or Create New button. Then choose Presentation. Or paste in text, generate. Just click on it. You can also start with a template or let AI build everything for scratch. Here's the magic part. Just type your topic like the future of remote work for companies and employee. Next, select presentation, size traditional, then continue. And again click continue. Boom. Gamma will generate a full presentation with a structured title slide, intro, key points, visuals, and even charts in seconds. All you do is review and tweak. Just click generate. And that's it. You can change the theme, font, and color palette with just a click. Choose from modern, minimal, bold, or playful style. Click on edit theme, then choose a theme like that and click present, and that's it. Click. Want to change the slides layout? Click on any block and choose a new style or add an image. Click images, image upload like that. Then you can paste or enter image URL or upload if upload from your folder like that, and add text. all from Gamma's built-in library. You can also collaborate with teammates by adding comments directly on slides and add speaker notes below each slide, super useful for live presentations or video recordings. When you're done, hit present to go full screen or click share to send a public or privately, just like a Google Docs. You can also export as PDF, uh, export to PowerPoint, export to Google Slides, export as PNGs. Here's why Gamma stands out. No manual slide building, built-in animations, and clean layouts. AI writing support for content, collaborative, fast, and mobile friendly. It saves time and makes you look professional. You can also use Gamma to create pitch decks, client proposals, online portfolios, lesson slides, and even personal stories. So, if you want to impress your boss, client, or teacher with stunning presentations, give Gamma a try. It's free, fast, and honestly addictive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.